Convert Python Dict into a Dataframe. I have a Python dictionary like the following. The keys are Unicode dates and the values are integers. I would like to convert this into a pandas data frame by having the dates and their corresponding values as two separate columns. Example, call 1, dates, call 2, date value. The dates are still Unicode and date values are still integers. Any help in this direction would be much appreciated. I am unable to find resources on the pandas docs to help me with this. I know one solution might be to convert each key value pair in this dict into a dict so the entire structure becomes a dict of dicts, and then we can add each row individually to the data frame. But I want to know if there is an easier way and a more direct way to do this. So far I have tried converting the dict into a series object, but this doesn't seem to maintain the relationship between the columns.
Pass the items of the dictionary to the dataframe constructor and give the column names. After that, parse the date column to get timestamp values. Note the difference between Python 2.x and 3.x. In Python 2.x. In Python 3.x, requiring an additional list.
The error here is since calling the dataframe constructor with scalar values where it expects values to be a list/dict/ I have multiple columns. You could take the items from the dictionary, i.e. the key value pairs. But I think it makes more sense to pass the series constructor.
As explained on another answer, using Dataframe directly here will not act as you think. What you can do is use dataframe.from_dict with ori equals index. To get exactly what you wanted.
When converting a dictionary into a pandas data frame where you want the keys to be the columns of said data frame and the values to be the row values, you can do simply put brackets around the dictionary like this. Edit. In the pandas docs, one option for the data parameter in the data frame constructor is a list of dictionaries. Here we're passing a list with one dictionary in it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.